In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Ads.txt file in Hostinger hPanel. By the end, you'll have a valid Ads.txt file live on your site, so ad platforms like AdSense can verify Shawak your authorized sellers and clear any warnings. Let's get started right inside Hostinger's hPanel. First, sign in and open File Manager. If you manage more than one website, make sure you select the correct domain so you don't edit the wrong files. File Manager is where you can view and modify everything on your hosting account without needing an external FTP tool. Once you're in, open the public HTML folder for your site. This is the root web directory. Anything you put here is publicly accessible at your domain. If you're working with an add-on domain or a subdomain, its web root might be a different folder with a similar name, but the goal is the same. You want the root folder that serves your site's homepage. Now create a new file named ads.txt if it doesn't already exist. Type it exactly as ads.txt, all lowercase, with the .txt extension and no extra spaces or characters. It needs to be a plain text file, not a document file. If you already see ads.txt, you'll just edit that one instead of creating a new file. Open the file and paste in the lines provided by your ad network, such as AdSense. Use the exact formatting they give you, one record per line. Don't add extra punctuation or change the order of fields, and avoid including any example lines from documentation that weren't specifically generated for your account. If they give you multiple entries, paste each on its own new line. Save the file. In most file managers, there's a save button, or the file saves automatically when you confirm your changes. Before moving on, double check the file's location. It must live directly in the root of your site, not inside a subfolder like public HTML assets or public HTML test. A quick way to confirm is to look at the path at the top. It should end with /public ads.txt. To verify that it's publicly accessible, open a browser and go to your domain.com ads.txt. You should see the plain text you just pasted with no download prompt and no 404 error. If you're using a CDN or aggressive caching, a refresh or a short wait may be needed for new content to appear. Finally, give your ad platform some time to detect the file. It's normal for warnings to take several hours and sometimes up to a few days to clear. That's it, your ads.txt is in place and ready to be picked up.